Welcome to Classic and Clear. Today we are going to see highlight the duplicates and how to remove the duplicate in Excel. First, we will see how to highlight the duplicates. So, for that one, we have to select the cells or we can select like this and we have to go to home page and conditional formatting, highlight the cell rules and duplicate the values and OK. So when you see there are two items duplicated, car and box. So this will be useful. So if there is a huge number of data and we have to highlight the duplicate items, so we can simply select and use the conditional formatting, and after that I will show how to remove the highlighted cells. In the conditional formatting you have to go to the clear rules and clear rules from selected cells, so it will selected cells will be disappear. So after that, so we have to remove the duplicates now. So we found out some duplicates available and we have to remove those. So in this case, what we will go data. In that one, we have can see there is some one icon, remove duplicate, delete duplicate source from the sheet. So simply we will click this one. So and we say OK. After that, one error message is coming. Two duplicates value found and removed. 6 Unix value remain. So we'll click so car and other box duplicates removed and Unix items are remaining. So I think you guys learned a very important item and we will see in the next video. Thank you very much.